actually one of my favorite actors while growing up, and to work with him or act के पहले भी हमने कुछ समय बिताया था, trying to be a part of the writing, to understand the tone of the act. तो बहुत मजा आया, and I'm really happy that you guys are writing. Thank you. तू तो छोड़ के निकल गया था ना?
नीचे बैठ नहीं अरे मत करा
Hi.
Hi, this is Anna from Instant Bollywood. I want to ask you, how are you feeling with us launching and almost, the show is going sold out and the response to the brand is so good and the stuff is so good.
I actually compare it to actually making a movie. Okay, it's as hard as that. You have to be really authentic. You really have to be present. You have to give it your all. Because I think even to sell to a consumer, they don't want to buy nonsense. They want to buy something authentic. They want to buy a true story. Sneakers is something that I have grown up with, something I truly love, and I really wanted, to make a good sneaker, a good brand, good clothes that our country will wear. I always used to wonder, हम जहाँ भी जाते, there is a Zara, there is a Uniqlo, there is an H&M. We are such a large country. Most of the fabrics come from India. Most of the manufacturing is made in India. How come we don't have a brand like this? Of course, मैं थोड़ी बड़ी बात कर रहा हूँ, but the endeavor was that, the intention is that we have a long way to go. We've taken good feedback, right feedback. This is a brand that I really want to give myself, surrender myself to for a very long period in my life. So I'm learning, and I hope I get better year by year, season by season.
Any entrepreneurial tips from Alia?
Actually, I got inspired by her because during lockdown, she's someone who thought about her brand, and it became so successful. It's actually so many people talk about these celebrity brands, and hers is one of the most successful ones. And I saw the kind of groundwork she did and the hard work she put in, where marketing is concerned, where everything is concerned. So actually, I learned a lot from her, and I got inspired. And arts was something I was planning since 10, 12 years, but I never had the courage to. I was thinking, I don't know my country that well. I don't know how I'll sell a product. Being an actor itself is so hard. How do you become a entrepreneur in some way? So Alia really inspired me in that journey.
Lastly, Alia, it was so nice and refreshing to see you on the podcast with Jay Shetty. How can we expect a one-on-one soon with us? We've been missing you.
I'm here only. I'm not going anywhere. In fact, I mentioned also on the podcast, a lot of people reached out to me saying, why have you forgotten us and not doing interviews? And I said, I genuinely don't have anything new to talk about. I wanted to take a bit of I did one interview or two interviews during Jigra promotions, but I didn't have much to say because I talked so much in 2022. But there's no such thing as I'm holding back or anything. I just feel like the minute I have some new energy to give, I'd rather be authentic than just speak for the heck of it. Hello.
In the podcast itself, you said that you're planning to do this solo vacation, which you and Veer are still trying to figure out where he's going and where you are going. So, can we have a little more on that? The tips for solo vacation, please, because I'm looking forward to it.
It was just something that we casually discussed that we must do it, but I don't think we've really.
Well, you are going on a girls trip now.
I'm going on it, but it's not really.
Solo as in you word of me solo. वो तो solo है. You're not saying अकेला को कहीं घूम रही है, finding.
No, I was saying solo.
Alone?
Yeah, we discussed that, remember? Solo and you're yeah, we must do it. And then you're I might couple it with the boys trip. I said, I might couple it with the girls trip. Yeah. I mean, we haven't really got into planning it. It's just khayali pulao.
बोलते हैं कि फोटो मत
श्रेयस पीछे ना श्रेयस पीछे
Three times.
और सोशल हैंडल्स पे
3 times.
क्या एक्शन लेंगे जो आपकी बातें नहीं मानेगा ये फोटो लेगा वीडियो लेगा क्योंकि सर मैं जिनको कंट्रीब्यूट करता हूँ इंडिया हो गया इंडिया टुडे हो गया हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स हो गया मीडिया हो गया वो लोग फिर इन्हें आर्टिकल्स के साथ में उनके वीडियोस उनका इंस्टाग्राम की चीजें यूज करते हैं तो फिर इस चीज को आप
I think Alia will get a more serious note, but I'm saying कि मैं मुंबई में पला बड़ा हूँ, हम इंडस्ट्री में बॉर्न हुए हैं, all of you guys are family. ऐसा कुछ लीगल रूट हमको लेने की कोई नौबत नहीं है, ज़रूरत नहीं है. हम जब आप लोग को बुलाते हैं और आपसे विनती करते हैं, आप लोग सुनते हो. जैसे आप लोगों को चाहिए हमसे हम देते हैं. So it's not something I think we all together on we give our words to each other. ऐसे नहीं कि इस पे हम केस कर देंगे, उस पे केस कर देंगे. अगर आज हमने आप सबको बुलाया है, हम एक विनती करें कि यार it's for the betterment of a child. It might sound like a very privileged problem. I understand that, but we are trying as parents how much we can to protect our child. जितना कर सकते करेंगे. अब there are few आज क्या today anybody with a camera phone can do anything and post it and you know it can spread like wildfire. तो वो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. आप लोग हमारे फैमिली जैसे तो आप हमारे कंट्रोल में, हम आपको बोल सकते हैं, विनती कर सकते हैं, तो you can help us achieve this. But I don't know if there is any other route that we are.
To answer your question, I think जो आपने कहा है is correct concern and like Ranveer is saying, we don't want to push any sort of like action, but if somebody is repeatedly not adhering, we will be left with no option.
जैसे मुझे याद है कुछ महीने पहले हम आलिया मेरे बैल्कनी में, उसकी बैल्कनी में बैठी थी एंड किसी ने बिल्डिंग में जाके फोटोग्राफ की जा रहा था. तो वो एक साल पहले, तो वो तो बहुत गलत बात है. सो ऑब्वियसली आलिया said something on her social media and she spoke to the editor, whatever we spoke to that time from Times of India. But that was wrong. Now वो एक लाइन है, you can't cross. आप घर के अंदर ऐसे शूट नहीं कर सकते. I understand we are actors and there is some kind of curiosity about an actor's life. But वो एक line है that you cannot cross. So that I understand. Beyond that, honestly, आप सब you all are very respectful. I have known you for now 17 years. Alia has known you all for so many years. And if you just speak to you all, ये हो जाता है. It's just as simple and casual as this.
सर एक लास्ट बात कि आप और आलिया जी जब साथ में हैं बच्चों के, आप काफी में जा रहे हैं, आपने विंडो खुला रखा है, ठीक है?
तो मैं क्या मस्त गाड़ी ली है, कुछ दिखता ही नहीं. तो तभी हमें क्या करना चाहिए? नंबर 1, अभी जैसे आप एयरपोर्ट पे जा रहे हैं, बहुत सही सवाल आपने पूछा कि इसे के Rahaz with us. Now we're going to the airport, we're going somewhere, Rahaz there. What should they do? What's the right protocol?
What is the right protocol? Wait for her to cross and then we'll come out and take a photo with you. पर अगर कुछ ऐसे दिखा, उसका face बस cover कर देना with a heart or
ठीक है.
See, having said that, देखिए अगर कोई स्पेशल ओकेजन है, जैसे हम क्रिसमस लंच पे जाते हैं,
No, having said that, again this I would prefer not to post because I'm speaking about.
Don't record. Shocks नीचे थोड़ा. पीछा ना यार.
You have a brand of course which is for like kids, but are you planning to sort of venture into a business where you're also get into beauty sometime?
Because you spoke about Edamama, actually one of the big categories that we are going to introduce very soon under Ed is going to be personal care, which is products for babies and like diaper cream, body wash, shampoo, and we are working quite like hard on it. So I'm really excited that I'm so really glad that you brought that up because we are working on it. In fact, I think I must have given information away that I think they were saving for some teaser video.
Well, now we know.
Now I'm giving it away. But I have mentioned it before. So yeah, under Ed, I am planning to do that. And I am with L'Oreal and really enjoying the association and the relationship. In fact, this is going to be my first year where I'm going to Cannes. So I'm very nervous, I'm very excited. And I'm also now trying my hand at new makeup looks and videos. I put up a makeup tutorial of my own at the beginning of the year. Now my team is like, why don't we try something that you've never done before, like blue eyeshadow or pink eyeshadow or something like that. So I'm going to try my hand at that as well. But I really enjoy celebrating, doing my skincare, my makeup. I think that's something that is very it's like a me time that I deeply enjoy. So yeah, expect some more videos from me soon.
All the very best you can as well. I think it's a legendary association that you have with L'Oreal because we've had Sonam and Aishwarya also, and now you're there. But moving away from that, I also do want to ask you that you've been somebody who's also spoken about anxiety very openly, and I battle that too. I want to ask you, Alia, right now, because you're just entering your new year, of course, with your birthday, what are some of the key steps that you're taking to sort of battle that and then, overcome it?
I have mentioned this before, I mentioned it on the podcast as well, that I once a week do also have therapy, talk therapy that really helps me just clear my mind. On a daily basis, because of what ADHD and anxiety as well, I find myself in various moments where, you know, my emotions are getting the better of me and they're kind of taking over perhaps the physical, you know, the moment in that time. It's not like I'm somebody who's deep into meditation or so. I'm not being able to stick to any of those things. But sometimes just being aware of your own internal processes and your internal, I think, transitions, that these things might trigger you, this thing might make you feel a certain way. Just knowing that, acknowledging it to yourself, helps you get through a bad moment, or I wouldn't say a bad moment, a difficult moment, you know. And of course support definitely helps, talking about it definitely helps, and, you know, taking time out. In fact, there is this book, I have to mention this over here, that there's this book that I'm reading right now to Rama called The Emotions Book, okay, that really is very simply explaining to children what emotions are. When I read that book to her, it's actually like I'm also reading it to myself, because sometimes it's important to remind yourself of the different sort of highs and lows that a human can experience and how it's very normal for you to feel that way. So just a daily reminder sometimes also helps.
And लोग इसकी शादी हो गई है. Of course, all you guys know. Honeymoon करके आ गया, खत्म हो गया सब. Back to work.
Yeah, back to work.
Before you ask me a question, let me ask you. उड़ती खबर है कि तू धर्मा join कर रहा है? हाँ? Is it true?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? हाँ, spotlight पे आ गया ना? चल पूछ.
My question to you is, you have been shooting for Love and War. How has it been shooting for that? And we all have been waiting for Brahmastra 2 as well. Like what's happening on that front?
Love and War is something which is, I think, every actor's dream, you know, to work with brilliant actors like Alia and Vicky, and to be directed under the master Sanjay Leela Bhansali. I worked with him 17 years ago, Himesh, and to work with him again, I can say this with so much of clarity that I haven't met a human being who works so hard, who understands characters, emotions, music, Indian culture, Indian value system as much as Sanjay Leela Bhansali. And just to be on his set, it is tiring, it is long, the process can be a little daunting, but eventually as artists, it is so satisfying, because I think he really nurtures art, you know, and as actors, it's really been truly amazing so far. Brahmastra 2 is something that Ayan has been nurturing as a dream for a very long time. Brahmastra, the entire story of Brahmastra, as you guys know, he's currently working on War 2. And once the film releases, he's going to start the pre-production on Brahmastra 2. It's definitely happening. We haven't really announced much of it, but there'll be some interesting announcements coming regarding Brahmastra 2.
Okay,
And Alia, for you, how have you been when we are on Love and War?
It's been amazing. Actually we are shooting a lot of nights right now. So we work at night, and then we are mom and dad in the day. So it's a very interesting combination. But really, because we shoot at night, and the reason I mentioned that is because we also made Gangubai mostly shot at night. It really becomes like your own world. There's no distraction, there's no, quite literally there's no noise, there's no sound. It's just us. And every day when we go to set, we sit and we discuss a scene, and it's, you know, with Sanjay sir, being back on set with him, he just makes you feel like when you come on set that 100% is just the beginning. You have to give way more than that, and you want to, because of how much he gives. And discussing each and every scene is a key scene. This scene is very important. This scene is very important. So you go into that knowing that no day on set is going to just be like a chilling day. You're there, you're giving your 100%, but we're having a blast. We're having a great time, and it's really just a blessing to be working under his guidance and to be working with Vicky and Ranveer. And to see them both together and then all three of us, like it's very fascinating.
Hi, Asha.
प्रॉमिस करता हूँ और जितना हो सके हम कोशिश करेंगे ना हम फोटो खींचेंगे और अगर कहीं से कंटेंट आएगा भी तो हम उसको क्लाइंट तक नहीं पहुँचाएंगे और मैं चाहता हूँ ये सब इस चीज़ में एग्री करें क्योंकि एज ए फैमिली आपने हमको बोला है और पहले भी बोला था उस बीच हमसे कई बार गलती हुई होगी उसके लिए हम सॉरी बोलते हैं लेकिन इस बार हम आपको प्रॉमिस करते हैं कि जितना हमसे हो सकेगा हम करेंगे और आपका साथ देंगे।
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you so much.
और इसके साथ हम चाहते हैं कि
केक करेंगे।
नहीं मिलेगा
अरे पसंद नहीं मिलेगा, बैठ रहो। थोड़ा आगे आओ। अरे नहीं यार, थोड़ा आगे आओ। नहीं 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 यार, इतना क्या? अरे भाई पीछे आओ ना यार। ये गन्या, गन्या गन्या, ये गन्या। पार्टी दो, पार्टी दो, बोल रहा हूँ, कब से बोल रहा हूँ, मैं सुन रहा हूँ।
ए समीर पार्टी
अरे पीछे ले लो, पीछे पीछे। अरे गणेश भाऊ, ए शिशिर। ये ना अरे बहुत आगे जा रहे भाई, तू किसका मोबाइल आ रहा है? वापस खिलाओ, मिला नहीं बराबर। नहीं तू वीडियो
मत चढ़ो।
अरे केक कट गया।
अरे गाइस केक
अरे उनको उठा दो, हम लोग आते हैं अभी। उठो उनको बाजू में उठो रणबीर हमको हो गया पहले काम पे फोकस। अरे यार, ए रवि भाई आर के हमला करा था अभी तो मेरे पीछे बात जल्दी ना काटा करनी है। सिर्फ आईफोन में तो खड़े नहीं रहने दिया। अमूल लगे
So nice.
रेंट उसको ले लो, उसका फोटो ये तो कभी नहीं आगे आता है, कभी आगे नहीं कभी नहीं आगे आता है इसका। अरे वीडियो फुटेज आप पढ़ो अमूल पकड़ तू ये पार्टी है ये पीछे वगैरह।
आ जाओ
अरे
दे दो।
आरके आली
अरे गोखले थांब
You have to आरके